Uber just slashes rates for drivers. The fuel surcharge is over. We're gonna talk about it. Please thumbs up the video, my friends. This is groundbreaking news. Really disheartening for Uber to do this to drivers in a time of need. And I wanna hear from you. How much are you making as an Uber driver right now? Also wanna shout out our sponsor, Current. Current is a new bank that pays Uber and Lyft drivers 4% APY on your savings when you use the link below. You can also get paid up to 2 days faster on your direct deposits, and there are no overdraft fees of up to $200. Check out the link below to sign up for Current with our referral code. Let's get started. So, Uber is ending a program. This is on Business Insider. Uber and DoorDash are getting less help from the companies as gas prices soar. Uber and DoorDash have ended or will soon end gas subsidy programs for delivery drivers. Both companies had rolled out programs this spring to offset surging gas prices. Gas prices have shot up 12% in the last month. Uber plans to keep a gas surcharge just for rideshare drivers only. Uber is ending a program that added a fuel surcharge for customers to help delivery drivers offset the rising cost of gas. Company plans to discontinue its 45-cent surcharge on June 15th, according to a note sent to Uber Eats drivers and shared with Insider. It plans to continue charging ride-hailing customers an extra 55 cents per ride, which in my opinion is not good enough. 55 cents per ride. When you're doing a 50-mile trip and you gotta drive 50 miles back, it's 100 miles on your car, 55 cents. That's penny change. It literally is. It's pennies. We get 55 of them to be exact. We're extending the gas surcharge until June 15th for Eats couriers, but do not plan to continue it past that date, an Uber spokesperson told Insider. This change will not affect, if you've ever done deliveries, you know a lot of times you're doing 10 miles, 15 miles. I mean, these are big trips a lot of times. I've had trips where I've had to drive 30, 40 minutes. Uber's platform makes it easier for drivers who have been delivering food to make the switch and start picking up and dropping off riders. Yeah, a lot of Uber Eats drivers are going to start doing rideshare, and they're going to get a rude awakening that rideshare is not better. Uber and DoorDash have partnered with GetUpside, that app that offers cash back to offset the cost of gas. But I mean, yeah, it does help, but it's not. I mean, I don't think that, that's GetUpside helping the drivers, not Uber. So that's the update. Want to share that with you guys. Let me know your thoughts on all this madness. I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye now.